hola. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Today is a wonderful day. My husband and I were invited to a Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm leaving before him because he has work. So I'm gonna take you along with me and see how that goes. There's a secret in this spot that I'm bringing to the Thanksgiving dinner. The pot is heavy. It's a cast iron pot, plus there is oxtail in the pot. Thanksgiving. This is a tablescape by the hostess, the mostess. That's a very strong one. You memorized the recipe? Oh my God, skills. Waiting for you. Oh wow. Salud, happy Thanksgiving. Salud. Cheers. Cheers.
We don't even know what. Wait. Oh, a little bit of this.
What is that? I don't even know what that is.
It's beautiful.
Nobody knows. Look at that. Look at that.
After Thanksgiving dinner, we are playing a game. It was a wonderful afternoon.
I don't know what that is. It's
Tonight.
long.